Who's this? Marius. Marius, you just in time for flipping shooters.
Come, Marius.
Come, Marlies, quick. Gooi. Gooi.
What's your sleutel? How are you?
I just had a shooter of whiskey and peppermint chocolate.
Oh! And you don't actually do that.
Sweet
Guys,
let me stir the chocolate up. That's all you got to say.
Quickly.
Dis fucking sleg, Sarah.
You drink too slowly. Drink it.
Swallow it.
It's off.
2, 1, go. Go. It's because I'm videoing it, so it's fun.
Is.